Hey everyone, Lauren LaDell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. What makes us different at Motor City Spindle Repair than our competitors? We don't just repair your spindles, we upgrade them. So let's learn a little bit more about that.
In the world of precision manufacturing, the heart of your operation lies within CNC spindles. But when they falter, what's your next move? Let me introduce you to the game changer, upgrading and remanufacturing CNC spindles, a superior choice that goes beyond mere repairs. Repairing might seem like a quick fix, but it's only a band-aid solution. Upgrading and remanufacturing, on the other hand, is a transformative process. It starts with a comprehensive assessment, diagnosing every inch of your spindle. Advanced diagnostics unveil hidden issues, ensuring every problem is addressed. But the magic happens when we optimize performance, leveraging cutting-edge technology and precision engineering. Imagine a spindle running smoother, faster, and more efficiently than ever before. Upgrading unlocks a new realm of capabilities, boosting productivity and quality. And don't forget about reliability. Remanufacturing enhances the lifespan, giving you peace of mind for the long haul. Upgrading your spindles to outlast brand new ones from the OEM. Sure, repairs might keep you afloat temporarily, but upgrading and remanufacturing launch you to new heights. It's not just a fix, it's a revolution. Elevate your manufacturing game. Choose the path of innovation. Upgrade, remanufacture, redefine excellence. Because when your CNC spindles thrive, your entire operation soars.